Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it and tap at the bottom right corner. Then choose Got It and finally click on the month above. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select event and customize it however you wish to. By, for example, adding a title, starting hour, ending hour 1, or turning off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also, for example, change color, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before, and even add location by typing address here and clicking on the correct one. Now just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, make your changes. I want to, for example, get rid of this location. So I have to choose remove and tap save at the top right corner. And now it's gone. You can also delete your event by clicking on it again, but this time choosing those 3 dots at the top right corner, selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!